Hey everybody, welcome to ChinFat. I am doing a couple answers to questions that I've had under my notifications here. One question here asks, is there a way to add a thumbnail in list view similar to the frame column in Media Composer? I've never thought of that, and I don't know why I haven't thought of that, because it's actually pretty useful, and I like it, and I'm going to use it from now on, so thanks for asking the question. So after you asked that question, I did a little bit of research and found it pretty quickly. But right up here, in your project tab right up here, if you go to this little drop-down menu right here, click on that and scroll down, you will find down here in the preview area, thumbnails, thumbnails show affected, applied, all that stuff here. You can actually just check mark thumbnails. And in the list view, there you go, it is showing thumbnails. And if the thumbnails, they're pretty darn small here, so another thing you can do, this I've used before, is just hit the plus key at the top of your keyboard. If you hit plus, that maxes out the size right there. If you keep hitting it, it won't go any larger, but that's as large as it gets for the list view. But yeah, that does show the thumbnails, and that's quite useful to myself, and I'm going to be using that from now on. So thanks for asking that question.